Hello everyone, so today is just going to be a short video of us hiking, and it's so hot outside, but we need this. We need to hike. We need to do our hike. We said we're going to, and we are going to. So what would you say, an hour?
1 hour.
1 hour. So hopefully we'll last an hour in this heat. So let's go. So it's really beautiful out here.
This is a wild blackberry. Indians didn't really have candy, but this was the closest thing they had to candy.
Hello everyone. So we're here at our new hiking trail. Love it here. It's beautiful. Look at the water. We're gonna try and do an hour hike. It's really hot, so hopefully we won't give up and actually do the hour hike. It's not that bad. It's not as hot as yesterday or the other day. So wish us luck.
This plant right here is called a wild fig. I don't see any fruit on it now, but you'll see some vines growing in amongst it there. That's actually wild grapes.
Wild grapes?
Wild grapes.
Are they as good as the regular grapes?
Nope, they're not very good at all. Very small and kind of sour.
And that's already ripe? Ooh. It's a tough climb, but we're gonna make it. Let's see what's up there. Are those poison oak? Right there? Yeah. I hate poison oak. I really get a bad reaction to poison oak, so in as much as possible I stay away, very far away from them.
So I hear some wild quail right over there in those bushes.
Should we catch them
It's hard to catch them.
for dinner? All right. I'm hoping to capture the sound all around me. It's so peaceful and quiet. The wind blowing the trees. It's beautiful. Just being out in nature like this is something that I truly appreciate. And truly grateful. At the same time, I'm getting my exercise. I love being out in nature and just listening to the birds, the wind blowing the trees and leaves. Look how clear the water is.
has been the best.
So we're going back down, and it's much easier because it's all down, mostly downhill. So, what do you think of that hike?
Coming up.
Good workout. But I'm ready to get some pizza after this. Are you up for pizza? So we did it. We did an hour hike, and it wasn't as bad as we thought. So it's time to get back to the car and head back home. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please click like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.